Welcome, in this video you will learn how to update N8N using Docker. As you can see, Docker Desktop is already open. The first step is to click on the Images section. From there, select the specific image you want to update. The image in this example is shown as N8N/IO-N8N. Click on the three dots next to it and select Pull. Wait for the process to complete. It should only take a short time. Once finished, you will see a message indicating that the image is up to date. The name displayed in your case may be slightly different, but the process is the same. After updating, close the confirmation window. Next, run the image again. To do this, stop the container if it is currently running and then start it again by clicking play. Once restarted, you can open the application by going to your local host in the browser. At this point, everything will be updated and ready to use. That's all there is to it. You have now successfully updated N8N using Docker.